So I think the big reason of why forecasting is important, it means that you're starting to plan ahead. If we think about emergency repairs in anything, whether it be our home, our car, the aspect of sitting there going like, I need something fixed right now is an incredibly expensive proposition. The more that you can start putting that work into the future allows you to buy time to go, what's the optimized resource? What's competitive pricing? What's something that I can maybe shift or move around during peak times that I can do in kind of my shoulder month times? So the ability to actually move work ahead or know when it's coming or even be able to control when it's coming allows you a huge controllable financial lever that is significantly less expensive. And we can see this in literally every other aspect of our life, right? If you go to the emergency room because of something really bad, highly expensive versus catching it early in a doctor's office, planning visits ahead, doing treatment ahead. If we think about a car and it breaks down on the side of the road, it's expensive to get a tow truck. We might have caused catastrophic failure. Something is very expensive to fix. Getting it ahead of time, checking the check engine light, doing some repairs ahead, ultimately reduces cost. The same parallel exists in property maintenance as well. The immediate response is significantly higher cost, and you have zero ability to mitigate any cost control at all. So that's why forecasting ahead is so important to reducing cost.